Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do DIY microneedling. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updated videos. I'm using this Dr. Pen Ultima A1 Auto Microneedle System. I got this from Amazon like 3 years back. There are other models of these that are wireless and maybe more advanced or powerful. The one I bought is just the basic one with power adapter. It comes with these needle cartridges when you purchased it. You may also buy a spare on Amazon. Make sure that you'll buy the cartridge compatible with your pen model. There are options of needle numbers. What I'm using is just 12 needles. For numbing my skin, I'm using this EMLA 5% lidocaine numbing cream. I like it because it comes with 5 pieces small tube of 5 grams each, ideal for personal use. It also comes with this patch to put on your skin after applying the numbing cream. For serum, I'm using this La Roche-Posay Hyalur B5 hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 serum. It comes with this cute blue bottle of 30 ml and a dropper. Here's my bare face after washing with gentle cleanser face wash. Make sure that there's no dirt or makeup residue before you start microneedling. As you can see, I have pimple scars and redness all over my face. My skin also looks dehydrated. You can also visibly see my pores and creases under my eyes. So these are the problems that we want to correct with microneedling. Insert the needle cartridge into the pen. Twist it and make sure that it locks properly. This is where to set the length of the needles that you prefer. I set it 1 millimeter for my cheeks and 0.5 millimeters for my nose and forehead. And this is the on and off switch. Let's start by applying EMLA numbing cream on our face. I suggest that you do an allergic test first on the back of your arm to see if you have allergic reactions to it. If you feel that your skin is itching, have irritations, or have a tingly sensation, don't use it and look for alternative numbing cream that will work for you. Apply it evenly on your face and put more cream on the areas that you want to run the needle more. This patch is optional, you may use it or without. The numbing cream will still work fine even without it. Maybe it's to better penetrate the numbing cream in your skin. Leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. I'm just removing excess residue of the numbing cream with a gentle toner. Apply the serum evenly on your face. I personally like this La Roche-Posay Hyalur B5 serum because it gives me a smooth glide when microneedling. So I'm done with the other side of my face. I'm just continuing it to this side of my face to show you how exactly I'm doing it. You may start under your eyes and continue in upward direction towards your temple and down to your cheeks. Make sure that you cover all the areas of your face. Microneedling is a minimally invasive procedure for your skin. It uses thin needles to create punctures within the dermis, or the top layer of your skin. This damage helps stimulate your skin healing process so it produces more collagen and elastin. These proteins keep your skin firm and smooth. Some benefits of microneedling: improve pore size, skin texture, and discoloration, lessen the appearance of wrinkles or fine lines, reduces scars or stretch marks, make your skin plumper, and tighten the skin. Does it hurt? I wouldn't describe it as being painful. However, obviously, everyone's pain threshold are different. Thanks to the numbing cream I apply in the beginning of the treatment, it helped reduce the pain and discomfort. Aftercare. It is recommended to increase water intake for hydration. Avoid excessive sweating for 24 hours. Avoid makeup and non-recommended products for 24 hours following the procedure to avoid skin contamination and possible infection. Avoid direct sun exposure. Use sunscreen to protect your skin from environmental damage. You can rinse your face with lukewarm water 8 hours after your treatment. Downtime. Recovery following the microneedling procedure is typically 3 to 5 days, but can be unnoticeable as soon as 24 hours post-procedure. In order to see the results, you should get at least 3 to 4 microneedling treatments that are spaced out every 4 to 6 weeks. Apply cold aloe vera gel. It helps reduce redness and skin inflammation. I'm using this cold jade roller. It suits my skin and lessens pain and discomfort after microneedling. To top it up, I'm using this Sika or short for Centella asiatica face mask as it is good for healing wounds, enhances collagen, and acts as inflammatory agent. Here's the result of my first treatment after a week. Notice that the redness on my face reduces and also the creases under my eyes has gone. My skin looks hydrated and plumper. I really want to remove the scars that caused by pimples on my face. I'm gonna be posting the result after the fourth treatment, so please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching.